Hey guys, welcome to my channel FBqueen Home Decor. If you are new, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more latest updates of home decor. Today we came up with a new video of wall decorating ideas. We brought 50 plus latest wall decorating ideas that will make your wall fabulous. If you are looking for a way to take your home decor to the next level, check out these 50 plus wall decor ideas. From simple DIY projects to more complex and sophisticated design, there are something here for everyone. Whether you are looking for a new way to spruce up your living room or want to add a personal touch to your bedroom, these walls decor ideas are sure to give your home that extra bit of pizzazz it's been missing. So what are you waiting for? Your home should be a reflection of your unique personality, and what's better way to do that than with some creative wall decor? With a little bit of imagination and effort, you can make your home stand out from the rest. Check out these 50 plus creative wall decor ideas that will help you achieve just that. Whether you are looking to add a personal touch to your home or simply want to spruce up your space, these 50 DIY wall decor ideas are sure to do the trick. From colorful painting to simple hung photographs, there is an idea here for everyone. And best of all, each one won't cost you more than a few dollars to make. So what are you waiting for? Watch the video till end and do comment what type of wall decor do you like most. Looking for wall decor ideas to refresh your space? Those empty walls are filled with possibilities, and a few additions can make a house feel like a home. If you are ready to turn those dark, bare walls into stylish centerpieces, keep watching. No matter your style, we have got the tricks that can amp up your wall and bring out your personality and taste. Whether you are an art collector, a nature enthusiast, or a book lover, your wall can be customized so that can be surrounded by the things you adore. Discover 50 wall decor ideas that are sure to add style to your home. Number 1. Go for large scale art. Number 2. Create a gallery wall. Number 3. Incorporate an accent wall. Number 4. Showcase the fabrics. Number 5. Hang up mirrors. Number 6. Paint a mural. Number 7. Installing shelving. Number 8. Hang plates. Number 9. Display sculptures sconces. Number 10. Go greener. Number 11. Tape into texture with macrame wall art. Number 12. Or try beaded wall art. Number 13. Hang an oversized wall calendar. Number 14. Set the tone with a giant whiteboard or chalkboard. Number 15. Create a basketball. Number 16. Documents your travel with a personalized map. Add a large world map to your room decor. You can order a personalized map of a city, state, country, or the world in just about any color plate. Hope you like my video. Do share with your friends and hit the like button. Thank you.